Hello students, today we will be going over our Cherry Angel worksheet. This is this worksheet that everybody should have right now where it says work each problem and find your answers at the bottom of the page. Shade in the letter above each correct answer. When you finish, you will know what to say. Okay? Our problem number 1 says if 2 cubic feet of sand weigh 90 pounds, how much do 5 cubic feet of sand weigh? And our answer is going to be in pounds. So for this, you will also have a white worksheet here that I want to see all your work on. So number 1, it's a proportion where we say 2 cubic feet weigh 90 pounds, and we need to know how much 5 cubic feet weigh. So we're going to go ahead and start this as a proportion, and we need to know how many pounds that will weigh, so that's where the X goes. Now, we're going to do what I call the fish. Okay, we can go ahead and say cubic feet, and cross out the pounds because we're only concerned with the numbers right now. And then we do, like I said, the fish. Does that look like a fish if I did it like that? So we go 2 times X is 2X, and the hook is in the fish's mouth, so that's where the equal sign is, equals 5 times 90. And this is work that I should see right here where you set up the proportion, and now we're going to solve for X. So 2 times X is 590, divide by 2, and X equals, grab my handy dandy calculator, and we go 5 times 90, 450, divided by 2, and it's 225. So our answer is 225 pounds. Now we go down to the bottom of the page, wherever 225 is, cross it out. So there it is. Okay. Next, we go on to number 2. And again, we're going to set it up. 2 is if there are 560 calories. So we write 560 calories. So I want to make sure calories over 8 ounces of meat. Now, calories needs to go on top and ounces on the bottom. See how up here the cubic feet matched up with cubic feet? We need to make sure pounds go with pounds. So calories need to go with calories, ounces need to go with ounces. So over here, how many calories, so the X will go here because we want calories with calories, are in 3 ounces of meat. Okay? Once I get that up, I can do my fish. Start at the upper left, go down and to the right, and around. I guess you could call it the dead fish right there if the X is there. Just kidding. Okay, so then we cross out calories and ounces. And we go 560 times 3 equals X times 8. Okay. So we go 560 times 3, take our handy dandy calculator, 560 times 3, 1680. So 8x equals 1680. So I just kind of changed the sides and I multiplied that and got 1680. Then I divide by 8. So X equals 210. Okay, 210 what? Calories. Okay. Then I look at the bottom here. Where's 210? Right here. So actually you're only supposed to cross out the letter above it right there. You can save the number just in case you made a mistake. So there we have 210 calories. Let's see, do we need to do one more? Let's do number 3. If pencils sell at 6 for 59 cents, so we put 6 pencils, 59 cents. How many pencils can be bought? So this is X. How many pencils can be bought for $2.95? Now, this is $2.95. This is 59 cents. We need to make sure they're the same units. So I'm going to change this to 0.59. Change that cent out, put the dollar sign here. Because again, dollars to dollars. And I guess we need to know how many pencils. Okay, so then I'm going to, now that it's all set up, I'm going to use my fish. And again, the equal sign is in the fish's mouth. So it's 6 times 2.95 equals X times 0.59. Okay, so I take my handy dandy calculator and I go 2.95 times 6, that's $17.70. Oh, I can't tell with this calculator. That sounds about right, but the calculator is kind of messed up. I think that's right. Equal, and I'm going to flip this around, 0.59x. Then I divide by the number in front of x. So I take that same number, divide by 0.59. Is that 30? Your calculator probably works better than this one. I don't know what's wrong with this one, but I probably need to get a new one. So your answer would be 30 pencils. And you put 30 in right here, and then we go down and we find 30 down here, and then we cross out the B. Okay? All right, students, you can get the rest of this. And make sure, again, you're showing all of your work on this angel proportion worksheet. And then at the saying at the bottom, you'll write down what's left on the cherry sheet. Okay, students, you can get this. You rock.